Straight up 6 a.m. We're following breaking news. A major storm that could hit the U.S. this week was upgraded to a hurricane while you slept. The National Weather Service just upgraded Ian in the last hour. The storm could hit Florida later this week, so people there are preparing now. They're buying water, sandbags, and preparing to hunker down or evacuate. And when the weather is the big story, you know we've got you covered. That's why I'm over here invading Chester's space.
Okay.
Chester, the storm has potential, though, to be very serious.
It does. And so what happened was overnight, I was mentioning earlier in the show, if you were up early with us, how the storm looked a little bit more symmetrical. There's a little bit more convection or thunderstorm activity with it. So that shape sort of an indicator of strengthening. Yes.
You could see it.
And not just that, the hurricane hunters, they're also part of the United States Air Force. They went in and they tracked this storm overnight. They actually flew into the storm and they found those winds there of 75 miles per hour at the flight level, just above surface level. They actually fly into the storm, which is pretty impressive. It's dangerous work, so we appreciate what they do. And they found that Ian, yes, is in fact a hurricane, 75 mile per hour winds now. It is forecast to make landfall in western Cuba as a major hurricane, 120 mile per hour winds. And then somewhere off the coast of Florida on Wednesday, it's a major hurricane, category 4, 130 mile per hour winds. That's the forecast from the National Hurricane Center before making landfall in Florida, somewhere north of Tampa, perhaps as a major hurricane, and then it will quickly weaken. But a good chunk of Florida will be impacted directly by this storm system with heavy rain, wind, floods.